This is the easiest salmon you'll ever make. This lemon garlic salmon is made in one pan with just a few easy ingredients and is ready in just 20 minutes. And don't worry, it's perfect every time. Let's get cooking. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. First, let's talk about salmon. So if you've never purchased salmon before, it is not that hard, I promise. I am using salmon fillets today. You can get them with the skin on or skin off. This is skin off. Either one is gonna work for this recipe, and do not stress about it. You can get them in fillets or you can get them in a plank. If you get them in a plank, you can cook it whole or you can slice it into fillets. Either way works. What you first wanna do, I've already pat these dried with a paper towel just to soak up the extra moisture, and you want to let them set at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes just to like not be cold and come to room temperature, kind of like you would do a steak. When you're buying salmon, you can buy fresh or frozen. Either works. If you choose frozen, just make sure you defrost them out in cold water completely before cooking. Now we're gonna make the lemon garlic butter topping. It is so good and so easy. So start with about a tablespoon of butter already melted. Then we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm using pre-minced, but you can definitely mince your own. It's about 1 clove if you mince your own. All right, we got the garlic. Let's get the lemon. So you want about 1.5 tablespoons of lemon. Now that's great if you have like already juiced lemon. I recommend fresh lemon juice. It's way better. So if you're doing fresh, just juice about 1/2 a lemon and that's gonna be sufficient. I love my lemon juicer, can't live without it. Great for cooking and for cocktails. Only thing left is a little bit of salt and pepper. I'm gonna do about 1/2 teaspoon of each. Now, if you're nervous about that, you can always go less and then adjust it at the end when you taste test it. Whisk to combine to all the ingredients. Now let's get the pan ready. So you can use a 9x13 baking dish or a rimmed sheet pan, whichever you have. I'm using this ribbed, I might have said rim, sorry, ribbed sheet pan. Some people call it a jelly roll pan. I always get made fun of when I say that because I think it's like an outdated term, but if you know, you know. So let me know in the comments, what do you call it? Now I am lining it with foil for easy cleanup. And for good measure, I'm gonna give this foil a quick spray of avocado oil, non-stick spray, or spray olive oil, whatever you have. I'm using avocado oil. Place your salmon fillets right onto the pan. Now, oh, the oven's ready, friends. If you do not wanna use foil, you can use parchment paper as well. This is really just for easy cleanup. You honestly wouldn't have to line it if you're okay with a little bit harder cleanup. That's completely up to you. Then take the lemon garlic mixture that we made and we're gonna brush it on the top and the sides of the salmon fillets. Ooh, it already looks good. Don't overthink this. If you like me, you might try to overthink it. Just rub it on. It doesn't have to be a certain amount. You're just wanting the tops and the sides moistened by that butter and olive oil mixture. If you have any leftover, just pour it right on top because we want all that flavor to be in our salmon. Now it's time to bake. We're gonna bake them for about 12 to 20 minutes. You just want them to bake until they have an internal temperature of 145 and it flakes easily with a fork. So mine's been cooking for about 17 minutes and I just wanna show you guys what it looks like. I love using this instant read meat thermometer. You wanna stick it into the fattest part and you're wanting it to be over 145 and that's the safe temperature. So that is great. Now sometimes you get these little white marks. That's completely normal, so don't be alarmed by that and it doesn't affect the taste at all. Remove it from the oven and just let it rest for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then that's it. They're ready to serve. I'm trying to decide which one I want. I'm gonna try this one. Luckily I sprayed that foil so it lifts up nice and quick. What you're looking for is that it's nice and flaky, just like that. That's how you know salmon is perfect. Now time for my favorite part, taste testing. Perfect. The flavor is light and garlicky. It is perfect. This is the best meal for fall, summer, winter, spring, whenever. The best thing is you can serve it with whatever you're craving. I love it with rice. Ooh, it's so tender, it's just falling off my fork. But it's light enough, you could just serve with a big side salad as well. Friends, I cannot wait for you to try to make salmon at home. And then once you do, come back and make sure you let me know what you think. Don't forget, this recipe is linked in the description below, and also make sure that you like and subscribe so you never miss one of our easy recipes. All right, friend, this salmon is calling my name. I gotta go finish it off. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me in our kitchen today. I will see you again. And until then, remember, friends, make sure you eat at home by eating on a dime. Bye, friends.